to increase the speed of your laptop. Actually, why your laptop becomes slow, and sometimes you reinstall the Windows to speed up your laptop, but after some time it becomes again slow. So actually, how to increase the speed of laptop permanently? And it's only possible by overcoming the reasons, factors that slows the speed of your laptop. And what are these? Let's see. First one is automatic update of Windows. It slows the internet and also slows the speed performance of laptop while updating. Second one is antivirus. It runs every time in background and obviously slows the speed of laptop. Third one is silent and automatic update of browsers just like Firefox and Chrome, and they also slows the internet and also slows the performance of laptop while updating. Fourth one is silent and automatic update of other applications, and obviously they also slows the internet and also slows the performance of laptop while updating. Now let's solve them one by one. Windows update. What do we have to do? We just simply have to turn off Windows update. If you are using Windows 10 or Windows 8, let me show you how will you turn off Windows update. Simply right here, Windows update. There you go. Click on it. Advanced options. Click here. Notify to schedule restart. It's not enough. You again have to go to schedule tasks. Click here. Click on Microsoft. Click on Windows. Now find here Windows update. Here you go. Like you can see, these all are disables. They will be probably enabled in your system. What do you have to do? Simply right click on it and disable it. It is already disabled, so there's no option. But in your system, you have to disable it. You have to disable this, 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 and this. Okay, that's how the automatic Windows update in Windows 10 and 8 will be disabled. Now, if you are using Windows 7, then how will you do that? It's very easy. There's nothing rocket science. What do you have to do? Simply open Start menu, right here Windows Update. Here you will show. Click on it. Then this type of option will be opened. Click on Check for updates, and then click on it and check. Never check for updates. That's how Windows Update will be disabled in Windows 7. Now, antivirus software. What do we have to do? What for antivirus software? Simply don't use external antivirus, just like Avast and Avira, Note32, any. Don't use external antivirus. It runs every time in background and slows the performance of your laptop. Now, the question is, for security purpose, what will you do? You don't need to do anything extraordinary. Just simply make two accounts, one administrator and then user. Set password on administrator, and in user no admin rights, just standard type. In user account, virus can't affect your system. It will require administration permission. Simply use user account, never use administrator account. Okay, so that's how you can secure your system without antivirus. Now, how will you do in Windows 10 if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 8? Let me show you. Simply right here, control panel, go to user accounts, click on user accounts, manage another accounts, add new user in PC settings, add someone else to the PC. Just a minute. Let's see. It is loading. Okay. So I don't have this person's sign information. Just a moment. So now click on it, add a user without Microsoft account. Now just simply fill the information and next. That's how a user account without admin rights will be created, and now you have to use that. Now if you are using Windows 7, then how will you do that? Simply open control panel in Windows 7, click on add or remove user accounts. Then this type of windows will be opened. Click on create a new account. Check standard user name here and create account. That's enough. Now browser update. Simply turn off silent and automatic updating of browsers. If you are using Firefox, let me show you how will you do that. Simply go here, open menu, options, find update. Check on never check for updates. Simply. But if you are using Chrome, then how will you do that? Simply open Chrome. In tab bar write Chrome : plugins. This. Write here this and hit enter. Then this type of windows will be opened. Scroll down, find option Google Update. Disable it simply. That's how silent and automatic updating of browsers will be turned off. Now silent update of other softwares, means other applications that are installed in your system. How will you do that? If you are using Windows 8, I will show you. Simply check schedule tasks and disable. If you are using Windows 8, let me show you. Right here, schedule tasks. Okay, here you go. These are the softwares and these are the activities. These are the schedules of there. Simply now you can see it updates. So simply disable them. Disable. In your system there will be so many or a few of them. So disable all unnecessary updates that you don't want to update. But it is recommended that disable all updates and speed up your laptop. Now if you are using Windows 7, then simply open start menu, right here task scheduler, and it will be opened. Click on it. Simply same type of window will be opened that I showed you in Windows 10 and Windows 8, and perform the same process that I told you for Windows 8 and 10. Thank you, and yes, don't forget to subscribe.